Ever wonder what's hiding in your shadow? No, not a spooky monster, although identity theft can feel pretty monstrous. I'm talking about your credit report. In today's world, a good credit score is like a golden ticket. It unlocks better loan rates, smoother renting processes, and even helps with insurance premiums. But how do you keep an eye on that all-important report, especially in Canada? That's where Equifax steps in. They're one of the major credit bureaus in Canada, and their My Equifax platform lets you access your credit report and score. But what if you already have an account and want to upgrade to a plan with more features? Upgrading your Equifax account can be a smart move if you're serious about managing your credit health. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're cracking the code on how to upgrade your Equifax account in Canada. We'll break down the process step by step, answer some burning questions, and even explore the different plans available. Now, before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: I'm not affiliated with Equifax in any way. This video is purely for informational purposes to help you navigate the upgrade process. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your existing My Equifax account. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry, the sign-up process is pretty straightforward. Just head over to my.equifax.ca and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, look for the My Account section. This is usually located somewhere in the top navigation bar or your account dashboard. Clicking on My Account should bring up a menu with various options. Now, the exact name of the upgrade option might differ slightly depending on the layout of your My Equifax account. But you're generally looking for something like Upgrade Membership, Change Plan, or Manage Products. Once you find the upgrade option, you'll likely be presented with a breakdown of the different plans available. Equifax offers several tiers, each with varying features and pricing. Here's where it's important to do your research and figure out which plan best suits your needs. Here are some key things to consider when choosing a plan. Credit monitoring frequency. How often do you want your credit report to be monitored? Daily, weekly, or monthly? Alerts. Do you want to be notified of any changes to your credit report, such as new accounts being opened or inquiries being made? Identity theft protection. Some plans offer additional features like identity theft insurance or restoration services. Cost. Obviously, price plays a big role. Compare the features of each plan to the cost to find the best value for your money. Now, a quick word of caution: don't get caught up in features you don't necessarily need. If you're just looking for a basic way to monitor your credit report and score, you might not need the most expensive plan. Once you've chosen your upgrade plan, the process should be fairly straightforward. You'll likely be prompted to enter your payment information and confirm the upgrade. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Make sure you have a valid payment method linked to your account before you initiate the upgrade. Review the terms and conditions of the upgraded plan before finalizing. It might take a few days for the upgrade to be reflected in your account. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your Equifax account in Canada. Now you can enjoy the benefits of a more comprehensive credit monitoring service and take control of your financial well-being. Remember, a healthy credit score opens doors. By keeping an eye on your credit report and taking proactive steps to manage your credit, you're setting yourself up for financial success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.